critical last. 196. Alandi, Green Wall to Wall, looking for Jairus Aquino. Back to Marley, Pecto on the curve. Pecto number 2. Good by Super Pecto, the scoring machine from the celebrity. Plus, Mamochino, carrying the lead for the 3. Looking by carrying the lead. And then naman the celebrity, Pecto na una naman. There's that Super Pecto, pakay na itali nila mula. That is a whistle blow. Proud. Ang dito sa Team 1-4. Bago mag-free throw itong si Pecto, kailangan mo lang ng push-up. Tignan natin. Hali into 100. Dalawa lang yan. Lakasan mo daw, Pecto. Lakasan mo daw. Ay, tignan natin. Si Pecto kung makakabawi sa free throw dito ni Pecto. Sabi ko, lakasan mo. Ayun. Ilakas na ni Pecto.